Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LingoDeer app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down here, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, so then you click here on settings. We just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on manage account, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, you go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here, click here on reset study progress, just click on it here. So then you click here on reset here your language progress here. You click here on confirm, then it's going to reset with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.